Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to rename multiple files at once on Windows in 2026. So if you have hundreds of photos, documents, or downloads with messy names, yeah, this guide will help you rename everything quickly in bulk. First, open your folder and select all the files you want to rename. You can press Ctrl+A to select everything. Next, right-click and choose Rename, or just press F2. So this allows you to rename all selected files at once. Now type a base name like photo or document. Windows will automatically add numbers to each file. So yeah, press enter to confirm. All selected files will now be renamed with a sequence number. Next, sort files by name or date to keep everything organized after renaming. This helps you maintain structure. Finally, if you need advanced control, use Power Rename from Microsoft PowerToys. So, this tool lets you rename files with rules and patterns. And that's how to rename multiple files at once on Windows in 2026. Once you use bulk rename tools and proper sorting, your files will stay clean and organized. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows productivity tutorials. Hey everyone, in this